Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. As in my earlier video that I was showing you that Litecoin after the breakout from a down channel is stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern, and this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. A few days ago we had a fake out from this wedge, but here you can see that we have found another short-term resistance that is approximately at $76. You can see that the pricing got rejected here, here, and here as well. And before that, it was breaking as a support here for several days. And now it is flipped into resistance after the breakdown. And now after the rejection by the resistance of the wedge, once again, the pricing is dropping down, moving down to hit the support. This time, by the way, you can see that so far we did not form another lower than previous low, still forming another higher low than previous low even after this price correction. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it is dropped down, about to enter the oversold zone and forming a lower than previous low. The price line is forming higher low than previous low, but stochastic oscillator is forming lower than previous low. This low was formed here, and the next low is forming lower than the previous one. So there is a hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart. Yes, it is possible if the price line will be moved more down to hit the support of the wedge, then this hidden bullish divergence can be removed from this chart. However, so far so good. We have this hidden bullish divergence, and due to this divergence, it is possible that the price end, without retesting this uptrend line support of this wedge after this rejection, the price end may start another move to the upside to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 2nd of October 2024 with my members, and this signal produced almost 21% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Litecoin that I shared on 2nd of October 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish versus cipher pattern that Litecoin formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 21% pump. And before that, we caught almost 18% pump in the month of September 2024, in the previous month. And that was another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. The current move was also cipher. This is, by the way, the previous one. And this was the current move that I was showing you. This was the cipher. And if we take a look at the previous move, this one, by the way, this move I shared on 9th of September 2024, then you can see that this was another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Litecoin formed on the daily time frame chart, this one. And this was a complete trade signal for this move, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 18% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the link, so join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Litecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days, even weeks, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern since after 6th of August 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, then we got rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce. Then we had another rejection, bounce. This was the fake out and the price then re-entered. And again, rejection by the resistance. And now it is moving toward the support of this wedge, but this time the price did not form another lower than previous low. It is still forming another higher than the low than previous. So this was the previous low, and the next low still it is forming higher than the previous one. At the same time, you can see that stochastic formed this low here, and the next low it formed lower than the previous one and about to enter the oversold zone as well. So this is the hidden bullish divergence signal. Therefore, there can be a probability if the price then follow this signal, and there can be a probability that the price then may follow the signal, then the price then, without retesting the support of this wedge, may move up to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this wedge. This time we will have a crisscross of the two resistance levels. At the same time, we will have the resistance of this rising wedge pattern here, and we will have this short-term resistance of $76. For example, if the price then breaks down the support, then target to the downside will be here at the bottom of the wedge, and in that situation, the pricing can also retest the previous position of the channel as support, somewhere here approximately at $57 or $55. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this wedge, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $91 or $90. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that the price has already broken out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. This is the falling wedge pattern, and the long-term technical target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.